Hi, do you know one of Amazon's business opportunity to increase your sales is selling business to business on Amazon? But for selling business to business, you have to be a part of Amazon business program. Only having a business account allows you to sell big volumes and provide you access a lot of Amazon business features like business pricing, quantity discount, and analytics. Sound interesting, right? What's more interesting is that you can also create business to business price offer especially for business customers and other companies who want to buy in bulk. This price will only be available for those business customers and companies. I'm your host Asif. Welcome to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. Today I'm here to talk about the Amazon Business Seller Program. It's also known as B2B selling program. Furthermore, I will show how you can create a B2B price offer on Amazon. From this session, you will know everything you need for a better understanding of selling business to business on Amazon. So, what is Amazon Business Seller Program? Amazon Business is a platform that provides sellers with the features that help you grow their sales on Amazon Business. The main feature is the ability to offer products available only to business customers. In short, we know it as the business to business model. B2B on the Amazon Business Program has two programs. Amazon Business Seller Program, which is program for sellers, Amazon Business Buyer Program, which is obviously for buyers. Today we are going to talk only about the Amazon Business Seller Program, but soon in the coming days, I will try to make another video on Amazon Business Buyer Program. So if you don't want to miss out on that, subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and hit the bell icon button to get updates. So how does Amazon B2B work? Amazon B2B enables your company to become an Amazon business seller. Amazon business account is to sell in bulk with bulk pricing, offer discount and tax exemption to only businesses and much more. Amazon B2B is not for every seller. I know it may be a little disappointing, but every program comes with some specific purpose. Amazon business to business is perfect for retailers who are focused on business to business, brands that are focused to business, retailers who have some products with margin allow them to target business buyers with bulk orders, sellers who wants to fulfill high volume orders, sellers who offer business only discount pricing on one-off purchases, offer quantity pricing, offer product that business will need and use. Also, brands whose product is dual purpose for business to business and business to consumer. Manufacturers and suppliers with B2B related products that are looking to go directly to your consumer. And dealers who represent many brands with products conducive to business sales. When you sell business to business on Amazon, you don't have to make your entire catalog available on Amazon Business or go all in as they say. You can make some of your products available to business buyers. So, how to join Amazon B2B program? As I said, to become a member of Amazon Business Sellers program, you need to have a professional selling account on Amazon. If you have a professional selling account, then you are already eligible for Amazon Business to Business program. If you don't have one, the first step is register on Amazon Business. I know it is pretty simple. For every program, you have to go for registration. To create a professional selling account, go to Amazon.com and register it and following the direction from Amazon. Existing sellers can add Amazon Business feature through their Seller Center. Step 2 is creating a business profile. Your business profile is a face of your company. You can tell your company story, logo, type of business, your customer, and your quality certification, and add your quality certification and diversity credential for discerning business customer. To do that, use a profile editor. Then step 3, which is setting up the product. After you have created your business profile, you need to add your catalog using Amazon listing tools and the enhanced content feature to make the variety of your product visible to your customer. And the final step is step 4, is starting to sell. If you have done everything right in the previous 3 steps, now you are ready to start selling on Amazon. Your customers are waiting for you. Now that you are a registered Amazon business seller, you should know what facilities you will have as an Amazon business to business seller. So, you can create an exclusive business SKU. Businesses can create listings only for businesses that can only be seen by business buyers. Changes to search that makes it easier to find your products. You can give discounted business prices and tiered quantity discounts only available to customers in the Amazon Business Buyer Program. As a B2B seller, business can provide a tax exemption for qualified purchases. B2B businesses on Amazon can set credentials such as ISO 9001 certified small businesses, business for women, minority, and veteran-owned business which are displayed to business customers. Then businesses can provide manufacturer and distributor part number or national stock number after they join Amazon Business Seller Program. In addition, you can upload enhanced product documents such as CAD drawing, user guide, and more. Now you have a question. How you can create Amazon B2B offer price, right? Here we have already told you why you are going to set a business offer on Amazon. Now let's jump into the part about how you can create a business offer on Amazon. First of all, you have to log into your business account then you can see there will be two price section. One is for regular customers and another is for business customers. Here you can see the business price. You will just select the product and press the quantity discount on the business price option. Then you will see the option where you can insert your quantity and the discount price you want to give to your business customers. Interestingly, here you can fix the price or you can give them a discount on their bulk orders. After that, you will just press the set price and then your business price will set and you are good to go. I just want to add two things for buyers. Number one, buyers can get business only prices and special that we have already created. Number two, if you have a business prime account, then you will get a free 2-day business prime shipping. So, how much does it cost to become a business seller? You have to pay a monthly subscription fee, which is $39.99 for professional seller. Also, some referral fees depending on the category, and that's all. Now you have a question, what are the cons of B2B? In addition to paying a monthly subscription fee, most sellers are required to pay additional fees according to Amazon Seller Center. Standing out from competitors is more difficult because buyers can easily bypass your products from the cheaper items from a different seller. Also, it is much more difficult to establish strong brand loyalty. FBA costs money and a bad shipping experience may turn customer away from your product. However, you can option out for merchant fulfill instead. So here is my final thought. If you are a seller, you need to act now. If you want to make your name for yourself on the Amazon business platform, the competition is still relatively low, but it won't remain an open market for long. The Amazon Business Seller Program gives you access to business customer, which is great opportunity to grow your visibility, sales, and reviews in ways that are not available on professional account. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Till the next season, happy selling. Thanks.